Imagine building a machine that must survive the weight of an elephant pressing down on an area the size of your thumbprint. Now imagine that same machine sending petabytes of data every second while lying thousands of meters beneath the ocean. That is the brutal reality of the cables that carry the internet across our planet. Hidden beneath the waves is a vast network of fiber optics stretched across the seafloor, silently powering nearly every message, video, and website you use every day. Today, we're diving deep into the impossible engineering of submarine internet cables. Most people imagine the internet floating through space using satellites. But the truth is far more surprising. About 95% of global internet traffic travels through cables on the ocean floor. These submarine cables form a hidden web connecting continents. From North America to Europe, from Asia to Africa, they carry the world's communication. In flashes of light moving through glass thinner than a human hair. Without them, the modern internet will collapse overnight. The ocean floor is one of the most brutal environments on Earth. At depths of 4,000 meters, the pressure is immense. The pressure can exceed 400 times the pressure at sea level. That is like stacking dozens of elephants on a tiny surface. To protect them, engineers wrap the delicate fiber core in layers of steel, copper, and tough polymer coatings. The result looks less like a wire and more like an armored snake stretching thousands of kilometers across the abyss. Inside each cable are bundles of fiber optic strands. These fibers send information using pulses of light that move incredibly fast. Every email, video call, online game, and financial transaction travels through these flashes of light. The data volume is enormous. Some modern cables can handle hundreds of terabits every second. But there is another challenge. Light signals weaken as they travel long distances. So engineers place repeaters every 50 to 100 kilometers. These machines must operate perfectly for 25 years underwater with no human maintenance. If one fails, repairing it means sending specialized ships to haul sections of cable up from the ocean floor. Installing submarine cables is an operation that can take years. Special cable ships slowly release the cable while mapping the seafloor. In shallow waters, robots bury the cable beneath the sand to protect it from anchors and fishing gear. Out in the deep ocean, it simply rests on the seafloor, crossing underwater mountains, valleys, and vast plains. So the next time you send a message, remember something incredible. Your data is not floating through space. It is racing as pulses of light through fragile glass fibers, lying silently at the bottom of the ocean. A hidden network of engineering marvels that keeps the entire world connected. Without it, the modern digital age would not exist.